don't even know where to begin, really. I feel like a lot's happened lately and there's a lot to catch up on. But first off, I broke my wrist. I'm in Santa Cruz right now. I'm updating you on the iPhone. This is not going to be a fancy looking video at all, as you can tell. So I broke my wrist skating. I'll spare you the details, but it was a super lame crash. I got some random guy there to drive me to the hospital. I had a gnarly break on my wrist. They had to take me overnight, sedate me the next morning, and put surgery in me. And I have like a plate in there somewhere. It's kind of sick though, because the scar runs right over my tattoo, so that's kind of badass. So that really sucked. I basically just like slept for a few days. After that, I started regaining the use of my hand, which works pretty well now for the most part. I was in a soft cast for about 2 weeks, and near the end of that, I was able to actually use my computer again. Right as I was able to like use my computer again, my hard drive decided to fail, and of course, it was the only hard drive I haven't taken the time to back up. I backed up like half of it, but not all of it. So learn from me for the second time. Have your shit backed up. Rookie move, and I've done it twice. Rookie move. So anyways, that pretty much just forced me to not work, and as much as it sucked, it has been really good for me. There was some stuff I had planned during some time, and you know, I was excited to like go through with this project, but that project wasn't able to happen because I was gonna fly people down to help film something, and then blah, blah, blah. So I had to cancel that. And right during that time that I was planning on filming that, after I had canceled it, a few other projects and stuff and opportunities just surfaced. So in short, it like the wrist thing almost happened for a reason. There's so many other things that kept happening, and it's been an insane time. And it's been truly, like, as much as this sucks, it's such a blessing in disguise. Like, it's been so good to just break for a minute, to, you know, prioritize just chilling and like, you know, podcasting and traveling a little and just taking it slower. Really, I've just been taking life slower and just applying the law of attraction to life, and combining those two has been such a sick outcome. So I shot this project in Oregon, which you'll hear more about, and then after that I was just cruising down the coast, the 101, and you know, just taking my time, like enjoying it, like just not trying to control everything and just letting stuff happen. And you know, part of me wanted to stay in Portland and hang with friends, part of me wanted just to rush down to Santa Cruz and get a lot of work done, but like at the end of the day, I just slowed myself down, thought about what really mattered, and then just had some really cool experiences. I've randomly met some really cool people, and I've just been cruising around and just living, man. And it really sucks because on that hard drive I had a few videos I was planning to edit and have out the past few weeks, but of course I haven't been able to because that hard drive is currently, dear Lord, please help it. He said it was gonna like take like a month to maybe recover, so fingers crossed. Send your thoughts, send your prayers, send me a cash app. But yeah, I've been wanting to make these videos, and you know, because of some opportunities that are coming up, like there's a reason why the hard drive broke, and it's to really focus on what's about to come and some fun stuff ahead. And I'm just amped. Like, yeah, I've just been taking the best out of every opportunity, every lame thing that's come my way, and you know, you can let this make life suck. I'm sorry if those waves are so loud. You can look at this and say, this sucks, or you can just be like, all right, well, I'm gonna take this time to chill out more, to do what I'm doing, and just like literally going with the flow, taking rest, and like just planning, scheming, and just getting stoked for what's next. I'm not gonna like spit out details, I'm not gonna promise anything, but like this is also just to say, like, I have been wanting to make videos, but one thing after the next, you know, like, it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain about it. Keep moving forward, stay positive, and take every situation as a good thing. Yeah, so anyways, I'm in Santa Cruz right now. It is beautiful, it's sunny, I'm probably getting sunburned. And yeah, I'm here actually on the 12th. I'm going to the Apple iPhone event. Yeah, I plan to document that. It'll be a sick time, and there might be something cool after. I think that's really it for the update video. Not too much to share. Actually, there's a ton to share, but again, just sparing details. Yeah, I'm in a good mind state. Life's super sick, and I really want to be making videos, but the universe is making me do otherwise. So, is what it is. I'm gonna just take it as it goes, and I'm gonna go edit this video and get it up for tomorrow morning. So, peace, and you will probably see me here pretty soon.